practice of Taiwanese.
First, Taiwanese tend to eat outside, no matter which meal it is or what time it is. For Taiwanese who tend to eat every meal outside, even though it is very convenient to eat out, sometimes it is still a very difficult thing to decide what to eat.
Hey, what's your breakfast want to eat? Sandwich. Noodles.
Secondly, Taiwanese love to have customized drinks. In all of the beverage stores in Taiwan, we can ask to change the amount of sugar and ice. But please don't ask the clerk too much, just like what this customer did in the video.
Hey, what do you want to drink? This one. This? Yeah. Okay, I know. With me. 先生，我要点一些珍珠奶，1颗珍珠，2颗冰块，3颗方便面，加牛奶不加奶精，然后茶要西洋茶，这样就好了，谢谢。哎，等一下，我还是改成2颗珍珠好了。
Thirdly, we are going to talk about Taiwanese eating rules. Only at a funeral would Taiwanese insert the chopsticks inside the rice as an offering for the dead. So it is a serious taboo for all Taiwanese. Lastly, cheers culture. In Taiwan, the meaning of the cheers is to drink it up at a time.